Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply move your MetaMask to another phone. It's quite simple, or the process is simple. It just involves moving your MetaMask account from your current device to another device. It's really simple. Your first step is to make sure you've taken accountability of all your assets, and all your assets are in the wallet you wish to move, and you simply head over to the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once there, your step or the next step would be to click on security and privacy. Now, once you've selected security and privacy, you're met with a video that talks about protecting your wallet from scammers, hacking, and the rest. You then watch the video if you'd like to know more on how to protect and secure your wallet. But aside from that, you click on Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase, click on Get Started. Now, by selecting this secret recovery phrase, this secret recovery phrase is what we're going to be using to simply log into another MetaMask app or website. You can use this as your login ID. This is basically your login ID that you can use to log into your MetaMask account from any other phone. So now when the question says, if you lose your secret phrase, your secret recovery phrase, MetaMask can help you. Click on continue. If anyone, even a support agent, asks for your secret recovery phrase, you're being scammed. So click on continue, and then you're met with the reveal secret phrase section where you simply enter your password. And once you've entered your password here, your secret recovery phrase will be revealed to you. And the next step from there is to simply click on this copy, or the copy that shows. And once you've copied your recovery phrase, all you need to do now is open up the MetaMask app on the other phone or the MetaMask website, and simply in the space for import wallet, click on the import wallet space and simply paste in your secret recovery phrase or write it down. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how you can go about any of these, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.